What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitley Auto Works. As you can see, my wife has joined me today because we got a very interesting spray out today on Rustoleum Custom Mix. We got 3 different Rustoleum bases, and then we got this right here, a Rustoleum brand Colorshift paint. You've probably seen it for sale at your local Walmart or wherever else for about $10 a can. It's called Blue Cosmos. And what we're going to do today is we're going to try it out and test the limits of this color shift and see how it compares to some of the other color shifts we've done on the channel. So as usual, we got our fender prepped up behind us. We've got gloss white, gloss black, and ink blue. And we're going to shoot this Rustoleum color shift over top of all 3 colors and see how it bends and flexes over these colors and what kind of reactions we get over top of everything. But anyways, guys, I figure it'd be an interesting project today to test this color shift out and see, is it as good as shooting a pearl? So anyways, let's get to 3-toning this fender and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes and the good old Rustoleum behind us is dry, and I'm going first person with this because I just figured it'd be something fun, something different. But anyways, so this color shift she has, it says shoot over a black base, but of course we're not going to listen. We're going to shoot it over a blue and a white. So anyways, she's going to put a light first coat on it, that way we can go ahead and introduce it to everything and see if this works or not, and you know, just kind of move forward with it. If we start getting reactions, then obviously game over. But yeah, all I know to do is start spraying and see what we get. All right, babe. Alright, let's let this tack off, and yeah, I mean it's shifting. Obviously over the blue we have nothing yet. She didn't hit it hard enough, I don't think, but I'm gonna give it a shot in a second. There we go. Camera's being funny. Anyways, alright. Alright guys, so a little update. As you can see behind me, it is shifting. Let's see. You probably can't see it yet. Obviously, I'm going to set it up for you guys and let you see it in full scale. The can was doing some drippage, and we're trying to salvage it, but we're going to do a few more coats on it, probably about 4 or 5 coats total. And we are getting some shift variations on the blue and the white too, so it is working. I'm just, like I said, it's being a pain because this can, go figure, we picked the can that's spitting. But anyways, all right, we're gonna do some more coats. I'm gonna set you guys up and then I'll show you guys the final results. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is what we got. Now as you can see, it does have a nice ghost shift to it. It's kind of hard to catch it in the light, so I wanted to kind of do a little bit of a review that way. But trust me, it does have a good shift for that. And over the blue, it shifts to purple under the right light, as you saw in the cinematics. And of course over black, you know, obviously they said to do it over black, and it's apparent. It goes from green to blue to purple. I mean, a little bit of everything, guys. So does this stuff work? Yeah, I think it works. How you doing back there, sweetie?
Doing good.
She's taking a break. But yeah, Rustoleum Colorshift, shifts color at different angles. I would say it works, and it's got a decent gloss. Obviously, you could always go back and 2K clear it or whatever, but yeah, guys, not too bad. Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. Rustoleum brand Colorshift Pearl. Now, I gotta say, I was very surprised. It actually has a decent gloss. Obviously, you could always go back and throw 2K clear over it, and obviously it says on the can shoot over a black base. And over a black base, it did. It shifted from green to blue to purple to a little bit of everything. But the big surprise was what it did over these colored bases and also the white base. It actually did shift good. It was kind of hard to pick the white base up on camera, but trust me, it has a color shift to it, and it looks pretty cool. And hey, all in all, I think it was a pretty cool product. What do you think, sweetie?
I liked it.
Yeah, I mean, I can't really complain other than the price. It's a little high, but yeah, all in all, if you want to do a color shift paint job and you don't want to have to mix it up and shoot it through a gun or whatever, this could be a great alternative, guys, if you want to check into it. And I think they got multiple colors and stuff you can use as well. So that's my full review of this for today. But ultimately, we have a big thing with rating stuff on this channel. So I want you guys to rate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And you can rate it anywhere in between. Drop us a like and comment. Let us know what you thought of today's video. I know it was a lot of back and forth, but hey, we got through it, and it was a fun experiment, and I got to share some time with my wife, so hey, win-win. But guys, if you want to pick up the clear to do any of the other jobs, check out some of the other videos. If you need Rustoleum products, paint guns, anything, guys, check my link in the description. ASC on YouTube, click it. It takes you to our Amazon store. You can buy stuff there, and we get a small kickback. It goes to help the channel out, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. So, had a lot of fun. Had a lot of fun with my wife, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching us figure this out today. But as anyways, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. This is my wife, Nora. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and we will see you guys on the next spray out.